What is up, guys? Welcome back to More of the Code. Today, you guys remember how I played basketball with my mom? Now I'm playing basketball with this guy. Pick his nose. My dad, Skinny Hood. And today we're gonna be playing H.O.R.S.E. Okay. Today we're gonna be playing H.O.R.S.E. Airplane. You guys can't see it, but
wow, you get chubbed. All right, whoever can hold this the longest gets the ball. All right. Tie your shoes.
Huh?
Go over there, tie your shoes. Go over there, tie your shoes. Okay, Kitty had to go inside.
yeah, Kitty had to go inside.
Oh, and he picks the ball up with the palmer. Okay, so.
Kitty was just like right
So
there.
what we're gonna do?
So we had to go inside. Pretty good. Alright, guys, up there, ready? I'm god at this.
Pick his nose. Okay, you ready?
Yes. I get ball. Ooh, right here. Right here.
What?
That was excellent. Uh-oh.
Oh yeah, you need the neighbor's help.
Guys, you guys definitely heard this song before. Best song created of all time. I'm in the drive-thru at Burger King. Can I please get a Whopper Jr. with a... Wait, no. It's hits. Can I please... Hits. I'm in the drive-thru at Burger King. Can I please get a Whopper Jr. with onion rings? Made by AI Queso. Go check it out. Not sponsored. It's awesome.
All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this pine cone and we're gonna place it wherever we want to take a shot.
Okay.
Boogers, 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 boogers. Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna put the pine cone right here and I'm gonna make this shot. From the pine cone.
I'm gonna make this shot.
Swish, see that?
Now I get the pine cone.
No, you can shoot anywhere you want.
I know. Where should I place this pine cone, guys? Right where it lands.
All right.
I'll make a shot.
What?
Nothing but this.
Cheater.
Yes! Remember the pine cone? Yes! H!
I got an H. Because I missed it.
I know, but this is a little trickery.
Oh, trickery.
Trickery. Okay.
Trickery.
Wherever this lands, I'm shooting it.
Ow.
It's literally the same as happened. So I'll put that. What's it?
Just a layup.
I missed even though it's a big one.
Just a layup.
Left or right?
It's gonna be a right-handed layup, but you're gonna go to the left side.
What?
Use your right hand, but you got it on the left side.
I failed so bad.
All right, well, my ball head. Oh. All right, we'll just shoot one here.
Okay.
What?
Hook shot.
You saw that, right? You fouled
Gotta
me.
be a hook shot. See the hook shot? Awesome.
buckets. You ain't getting no buckets. All right, Pine Tap, stop. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, this water stain.
Alright, water stain.
That's not water stain. Whatever. This stain. What? You're cheap. You're so cheap.
Right from the tripod. Okay. Nothing but net. NBA. Nothing but air.
All right. From this side of the car.
Huh?
From this side of the car.
Oh. That's how no way.
Yes. That's pretty far.
Let's see if I can make this nice. I'm not gonna play. Uh-oh. Going. I had no shot at that. Oh.
Yeah, he hit my car because he doesn't like me. So, I'm just going to do a foul shot.
Just casual foul shot, guys.
Foul, yep, which I never miss. I'm not Shaq.
Tell my Shaq. What was that? He said the rabbit moved.
Hold on, Kitty's meowing. I'll be right back. 5 seconds.
Oh, guys, 5 seconds because Kitty meowing. Ooh, trick me. What was that? Oh my God. What? Alright, guys. You gotta let Kitty in again? Again, yeah, I don't know.
Good shot.
Right here. Oh!
Man, you stinky.
See, I edited that so it'll make it like I missed.
All right, I got the mojo now. I got the mojo. I got H, you got nothing.
I got H.
H. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do what they call the condition.
I
Which
never miss those.
Which is actually a dad shot, but he just thinks that he's better than daddy.
Nobody ever makes that.
Oh,
I'll try the Cody shot.
dude, you fouled me. I saw it.
I'll try the Cody shot.
Hey, you saw it. You saw it. Never saw the foul. Oh, you got robbed, but not really.
It still got robbed.
You got robbed twice. All right, then I'm gonna do the shot from here.
Even when I cheat, try to make another shot.
Then we'll do it from the other side. Yeah, that's up. What? Dude, stop fouling me.
Little more to the left.
Okay. It's gonna be right here, and it's gonna be a hook.
Okay.
Y'all ready?
I'll try. Oh.
Okay. Enough playing games. We're doing a stain again.
Good stain.
Left-handed. Left-handed. All right. I won't do left-handed no more.
I'll try left handed right here. Yeah, we both shot at making it left handed. Nice save. No way. That's actually scary. If you made that. Funny shot.
Wow, we both stink today. All right, we're doing easy stuff.
Yes, H, I have 0.
We're doing easy from the corner.
Corner. Foul shot. Oh my God. Did he make it?
him. All right, grass thing.
Last thing. I have H.O., guys. This is not good.
Back away, back away. Oh.
There's no way you can miss that. If you actually miss that, it's gonna be back funny. Okay, I was gonna say. Just starting off easy.
But he keeps fouling me. You see it, right? It's on camera. Brick.
If I made that brick.
Brick.
Brick, okay.
Brick.
If I made that, though, that would have been awesome.
From your buddies. Your buddies are right here. So, all right. Cody's Pops is going to whoop him. Here we go.
Okay. Right there.
H.O.R.S.E.
Yep.
He keeps fouling me.
Oh, try it again. That's it. What?
Dude, we're going to be out here all night, man.
I know, it's like 10.
I got a barbecue to do.
It's like 10 p.m. Right here. Easy shot.
Hey, why'd you miss it? Easy shot.
I don't know.
I'm going to do it right here.
Ooh, basically. Right here.
Come on, H.O.R. Let's go. Thank you. Thank you. And then it's going to be from the grass right here. Time to put this story to good night time, right? Because he is no good. That's trying to hit me with the ball. Now you saw that, right? Okay. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do the Cody shot, but a hooker. Hook shot from the Cody.
Oh my god!
Oh, you got scared, didn't you?
Easy. See how easy that is? Yes!
He got lucky. He got lucky.
I got scared.
H.O.R.S. Let's go. Thank you. H.O.R.S. One more letter for you. One more letter for you. So what you have to do is you gotta stay on this line.
I already had H.O.R.S, but okay.
You gotta stand on this crack. Yeah, make it in.
Okay.
Oh, I found the new shot that can't get Cody.
Oh.
I won the champ. All right, let's play horses. You got one more chance. Give me the ball. My turn then. If we're playing horses.
Playing horses. Okay, I have H.O.R.S.E. I need. Yes. Oh my god. Yes.
He's a horse. I'm an H. Whoa, what? What do you got? What do you got? What do you got? What do you got? Hook shot.
Oh!
No way. You didn't think I was gonna do it. I didn't think you were gonna do it.
What? That's wrong.
easy shot.
Easy.
Right here. Left-handed. What do you know? Come on, shoot.
Has to be off the backboard. Oh, right there?
Yes. Oh, you got so lucky. You got lucky.
I got lucky. Right here. Has to be off the backboard. Oh.
What? Has to be off the whatever. I don't care. Just make the shot. What?
Right here.
I got too much strength today.
Yeah. Okay. Oh.
Wow, you are off today.
I gotta make it first.
You're gonna practice some more. You need more nutrients. You need some more green beans and salad. Green beans and salad and spaghettis. Good game. Oh, thought I won that one.
Wait, what?
Thought I won that one.
Wait, what do I have?
You have horse. We're playing horses.
I know. Yes!
Lucky.
Freak! See which one he's gonna make.
Easy shot. Right from here. Let's stand in the circle. The circle of life right here.
The circle of life.
Alright, he keeps fouling. I can't take it anymore.
Has to be off the backboard. Gotta make it close.
Yes, I was a hockey goalie for a long time. That's how I have this ninja reflex action.
Ninja reflex action. And yeah, this is how it is.
That's why I played hockey. I can't play basketball.
Right there, off the backboard.
Wow. We both stink.
Yes.
That was just a nice pass.
Yeah.
That's all it was.
Off the backboard. So no way I'm gonna make it.
Yeah, good luck for goalie, right?
That's gonna 6-7.
Oh, okay.
Yes! H.O.R.S.E.S.
No, I have H.O.R. You have H.O.R.E.S.E. It's game point for you. You missed by making you miss. You're done.
Yes. Not gonna happen.
Weird angle ant mound. Weird angle. We're behind the back.
Okay, this is game.
No, don't say that.
I hit the thing!
This was you. Okay. I'm the champion. I had to redeem the wife because Cody's stinky and he doesn't eat enough vegetables. Come on, guys. Comment on this one. Tell him he's got to eat more veggies to get a little more. He does love his green beans, but we have more we need more veggies, okay? More veggies in his life and more burgers and protein.
Off a pig?
And then when he can go like that and make that shot like that, he can't. Then we're talking.
Off a pig?
Yeah, one quick one.
Oh, guys, we're gonna play pig. Whoever wins this, I don't know. Peace, guys. Wait, whoever wins this, we have to play a championship of chicken tomorrow. Okay, if I win this, we have to play a championship of chicken tomorrow.